Today I will discuss about the law syllabus for the pre-examination of the Rajasthan Judicial Services. राजस्थान जुडिशियल सर्विसेज में लॉ को 70% वेटेज दिया गया है. इसमें टोटल 18 सब्जेक्ट्स 18 लॉज है, 18 टॉपिक्स लॉज है जिसको हमें अच्छे से पढ़ना है टू स्कोर गुड मार्क्स इन लॉ पेपर ऑल्सो. Starting with, we have Civil Procedure Code, Constitution of India, Indian Contract Act, Evidence Act, Limitation Act, Specific Relief Act, Transfer of Property Act, Interpretation of Statute, Rajasthan Rent Control Act. Only till Rajasthan Rent Control Act. This is for the mains, order and judgment writing. And in law paper 2, we'll have to study Criminal Procedure Code, Indian Evidence Act. Indian Evidence Act हमारा उसमें कवर हो गया था, तो that is sufficient. Indian Penal Code, Juvenile Justice Act, Negotiable Instrument Act, Probation of Offenders Act, Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act, Indecent Representation of Women Act, Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act, in short we can say POXO Act, Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace Act 2013. So these are the 18 topics which are very important, 18 subjects, law subjects, which are very important for the pre-examination as well as for the mains examination. Mains examination में order, judgment writing और charge add हो जाता है, but that is not for the pre. So this is, you can take a screenshot of this also. This is very important thing because you must remember while preparing for your exam what is the syllabus. So 18 acts, 18 laws are there and you must remember. All the best. Thank you.